I am Meghana Rao, and this is the AI from the Data Center to the Edge video series. This video series is based on Intel's new featured course that covers an optimized data science path using Intel architecture. The goal of this video series is to walk through each component of the course and give you the prerequisites, course content, structure, time required to complete the course, and how to get started. The course will help you solve AI problems using Intel's hardware and software portfolio with a minimal learning curve. Do you have a real-world problem that you're ready to solve using AI? This video series can give you the building blocks to get started. Let's start with the data science process covered in this course. Any AI problem involves defining the challenge at hand, identifying the approach and complexity of potential solutions, identifying ethical, security, and legal values and constraints, putting together a team, identifying technology choices, collecting and preparing data, training a model, and ultimately deploying the solution. Through a hands-on example of an image classification problem, this course will teach you how you can use Intel AI portfolio of hardware and optimized software and apply them to the stages in this data science workflow. The focus will be on exploratory data analysis, training a deep learning model, model analysis, and deploying on Intel CPU, integrated graphics, and the Intel neural compute stack. Each video in this series will provide a glimpse into the course content for these phases. The course requires some working knowledge of machine learning and deep learning principles, coding in Python with exposure to the TensorFlow framework. You will find lectures and Jupyter notebooks for each chapter with code essential to learn the foundational concepts. It is a self-paced course and we anticipate 4 to 5 hours to complete it. Thanks for watching this episode of AI from the Data Center to the Edge. Make sure to check out the links to register for the course. And join me in the next episode to get an overview of Intel's AI portfolio.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it and haven't seen any of our other videos, subscribe to the Intel Software YouTube channel. You can also connect with other developers and enthusiasts in the comments, and we'll see you all next time.